Professor Lalni Loma, guest of honor, and Honorable Minister. Sri P.S. Tuingaleng. I hope I pronounced it correctly. We have met sometimes back. Of course, Mr. Raza Murugan, this MD, we are missing him because of some unavoidable circumstances and appointments he has. He is the regional manager, TRIFED. Sri Udit Prakash Rai, IAS, Commissioner Secretary, and our officers and officials from Cooperation Department, my dear artisans from Mizoram and across the Northeast. A very good morning to all of you. To our brothers and sisters who have traveled from every corner of the Northeast to be here today, from Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim, I welcome you with open arms. You have left your homes and your families to spend these 6 days among us. You are not guests here, you are family. From today, Idol is your home. As I look around this hall, filled with hand-woven textiles, bamboo, and cane crafts, I do not simply see products on display. I see generations of wisdom. I see our grandmothers sitting by the hearth, waving puan through long winter nights. I see our grandfathers walking into the bamboo grooves and dawn, carefully choosing its stem with practiced hands. This is more than a livelihood. It is more than a business. It is our heritage. It is who we are. Long before our history was written in books, our people were already writing it through thread, bamboo, and cane. Every pattern woven into a puanche tells a story. Every carve of a paikong basket carries memories of countless journeys to our hills. These crafts are not recent traditions. They are gifts passed down by our ancestors from hand to hand, from heart to heart, until they reach the gifted artisans gathered in this hall today. I say this with immense pride. Mizoram has never let go of this inheritance. The world around us has changed. Machines have replaced hands in many places. Yet, our weavers continue to sit at their looms, and our craftsmen continue to shape bamboo and cane with the same patience and dedication as those who came before them. We have not merely preserved our culture, we have kept it alive, vibrant, and evolving. Every puanche, every puandum, and every handcrafted basket carries our identity, our resilience, and our dignity as a people. Today, our artisans are creating something truly remarkable. Our puanche, with its striking colors and intricate designs, is traveling far beyond these hills, finding a place in homes and hearts across the country. Our bamboo and cane artisans crafting tlam em, doron, kou, pai kong, and pai em baskets with extraordinary skill are reaching markets well beyond Mizoram. Even the humble kumbeu, once made primarily for our own use, is now admired as a work of fine craftsmanship. What was once created solely for our own homes is now opening doors to new opportunities, better livelihoods, and brighter future for artisan families across our state. This is not a small achievement. This is the quiet strength of Mizoram stepping confidently into the world. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India and the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. They have stood beside our stance as committed partners. Through their support, substantial financial assistance has reached our tribal communities for the procurement of minor forest produce, and more than 6 crore rupees has been sanctioned for infrastructure that will strengthen the future of our handicrafts and tribal enterprises. TRIFED has placed its trust in the talent of our artisans, and I want to say today that Mizoram deeply values this partnership. We look forward to walking this journey together for many years to come. As I look around this gathering, filled with brothers and sisters from across the Northeast, I am reminded that this occasion represents something much greater than Mizoram alone. The Northeast is not a distant corner of India. It is one of the brightest expressions of India's diversity. Every color woven into a Mizopuan, every beat of a Naga drum, every exquisite textile from Manipur, every intricate wood carving from Nagaland, every tradition represented here in the stalls today tells the story of a region rich in culture, creativity, resilience, and skill. I have seen many processed items in most of the stalls that I have visited this morning with locally materials which are available here, like Tingpui, Hawnna, Sunlu, and things like that. That strikes my mind. This is something unique for us, something special. We should think of having a plantation of all these fruit-bearing trees that will produce fruits within a short period of time. I think we should pluck the low-lying fruits. We are not merely 8 separate states. We are just like one great garden where every flower blooms in its own unique color, yet all flourish beneath the same sky, under the same tricolor as one India. The Northeast reminds the world that true unity does not require sameness. It flourishes through mutual respect, understanding, and love. To every artisan gathered here today, I offer my heartfelt wishes. May your hands never grow weary. May your creativity never fade. And may the world continue to discover what we in the Northeast have always known, that the true wealth of a nation lies not only in its industries and factories, but also in the skilled, patient, and dedicated hands of its craftsmen and craftswomen. During your stay in Aizawl, I encourage you to experience our way of life, walk through our streets, visit our homes, share meals with our families, experience the warmth and generosity that define the spirit of Mizoram. When you return to your own states, I hope you carry back not only memories of a successful fair, but also memories of friendship, hospitality, and the feeling of having been welcomed as members of one extended family. Finally, to my fellow citizens of Mizoram, let us make a promise today. Let this Zoe Fair never be a one-time celebration. May it become an annual tradition, growing larger, stronger, and more vibrant with each passing year, bringing together more artisans, more ideas, and more dreams from across the Northeast. May God bless every artisan present here. May God bless Mizoram. May God bless the Northeast. And may God bless our great nation, India. Thank you.